This weekend's video is brought to you from Ashland North. We are back at FRO. Joe just got his rear steer all put together, which looks killer. Glad the old buggy got rear steer. So this is more of a shakedown, and we are headed to the first trail, Easy Pass. This is a pretty mild trail, and hope you enjoy. Very nice, Joe. Just nice and slow. You're almost past the tree. Yeah. Keep coming. Keep coming. Straighten up. Right there. Come straight forward. All right, slow, slow. Right there, you're gonna want to point downhill and give it a little goose. The tree will catch you, just stay inside, all right?
What's this?
The tree will catch you, but just keep inside.
Oh yeah.
Bump it though, you want to bump it. Very nice. Don't go back anymore. There's a big boulder there.
Here goes my fucking van again.
Very nice. Can you front dig? Very nice. Let me know in the comments if you like the shorter video, trail by trail, mix two trails together, or a lawn video. The lawn videos don't do good for analytics. Just like if you made it to the end and you're not subscribed, which a lot of people aren't, it really helps more than you know. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the trail.